Fact number 6. It's the lungs of the earth, but it's gasping. The Amazon rainforest produces about 20% of the world's oxygen. That's why it's often called the lungs of the planet. But here's the terrifying truth. Deforestation is destroying the Amazon at a catastrophic rate, nearly a football field every 6 seconds. Logging, farming, and mining threaten this natural wonder, and with it, the air we breathe, the climate we depend on, and the biodiversity we can't replace. If the Amazon dies, so does everything that depends on it, including us.